delicious beef ragu bake. Make this delicious warming bake with slow-cooked beef ragu in tomato sauce, rigatoni pasta, Mediterranean mixed olives, cherry bocconcini and basil leaves. It will be ready to eat in 30 minutes. Start by heating the ragu and water in a saucepan over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes or until piping hot. Meanwhile, cook the pasta in a large saucepan of boiling water, stirring occasionally until the pasta is al dente. Drain the pasta and return to the pan. Preheat the grill to high. Add the beef ragu to the pasta in the pan with the olives, then give it a good stir. Pour the pasta mixture into a 6-cup oven-proof roasting pan and top with the cherry bocconcini. Pop under the grill for 5 minutes or until it's golden and bubbling. Sprinkle with basil leaves to serve. This hearty family meal features a no-fuss ragu and an irresistible cheesy top, making it a total winner. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.